Hi guys, it's Sunday and we popped into Poundland. Sunday the 29th of December, so Poundland had a few things on cheap after Christmas. I didn't buy all of them, I bought some stuff at full price. But I just thought we'd have a little look. In fact, most of this is full price stuff, but yeah. Right, what have we got? Well, on the top here, a wreath hanger. Now, I spotted this before Christmas, but I thought I wouldn't buy it because I knew it would go down cheap. So it reduced from £1 to 50p. All it is it's a springy piece of metal. And I did think I might have a go at making a car, a spring-propelled car. A bit like a catapult one. Just use that as the tension to power the car. Don't know when I'll do that, but I had it in mind, so I bought it. Fortune cats. I don't understand why they've reduced them, because they're hardly Christmas stock. But they're solar-powered cats with the rocking arm. I can't remember what they actually call them in Japanese. They just call them fortune cats on there. So they were 50p each. That was their Christmas range, I'm pretty sure, that fella. It's supposed to be, not Dory, the other one, isn't it? Anyway, that was 50p. Cob lights, or headlights. I was going to buy one for my little rock crawler, because I've been playing around trying to put cob lights on that. And I thought that might be an option, just have the light out of it, or even just blue tack it straight on the front of the car. So I was going to buy one. Then I thought my Jeep Cherokee, I could put two on the front quite easily. I could rewire them, or I could just use them exactly as they are. They take 3 AAA batteries each. So I bought one for the rock crawler, then 2 for the Jeep. And then I thought, well, actually, it might be handy to have one to wear myself when I want to work on things that are difficult to see. So I ended up buying 4 of them, £1 each. They weren't reduced, that was £4. Oh, I then bought a rear light as well, a bicycle rear light. Same thing, well, these aren't cob lights, they're just ordinary LEDs. They're quite bright. I've used them before for various things. I think they do the same as those. You've got bright, well, those you've got bright, not so bright and flashing. These I think you've got permanently on and then different sequences. For my spider bot, I thought I'd get some big wiggly eyes, as they call them. They were full price. So it's only the solar rockers and the other thing that was half price. And then every time my granddaughter visits us, she wants to charge up her phone. But all my phones and my wife's phones are all Android, whereas she's got one of those iPhones. So I thought I'd better buy myself a multi-way adapter, so next time she comes round we can actually charge her phone for her. And then I thought I'd better have 2, one for in the house and one for in the car. So I ended up spending about £9, I think. Yeah, £9 exactly in the end. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 things at half price. And then I spent money that I really didn't need to. But I just thought it'd be fun to have a go. And we'll do that car sometime. No idea when. She's rocking. Good to know it works. Right, that was it. So that was Poundland after Christmas. Half price sale. Mainly the solar rockers, to be honest. Well, there you go. You made it all the way to the end of another one of my videos. If you want more information, there'll be stuff down there in the video description. If you actually liked that video, you might find this one up here interesting too. And if you like both of them, you might want to subscribe over here. Thanks very much for watching. It's much appreciated.